Okay, so this is part two of my Phemex tutorials. Yeah, what happened was the price of Bitcoin crashed quite a lot, and it dragged down some of the altcoins with it. I was hoping it would drag down DOT with it so I could get into my position, but yeah, I kind of missed it. I'm going to leave that as it is. You can see that here if you go to active orders. You can see it's still at 32.32, and at the moment the price of DOT is 33.61. So I'm still going to leave that, but what I decided to do, because I was either going to get into a DOT trade or a Cardano trade, and so I decided to put the other half of my trading balance into Cardano, and I was going to go for 1.12. Quite beautiful actually if you look at my open positions here. So I was going entry price of 1.12, and I managed to catch this wick here, which is really cool, just as it was kind of like dumping along with Bitcoin. So what that means is now that's gone up a little bit, and I'm now $331 in profit on a forex leverage. So that's all good, really. I mean, I think Cardano is going to go quite high in the next few days. I'm quite confident this is going to be a good one. So I'm really sorry that I didn't show the video of me setting up the Cardano trade, but it was basically the same as the DOT one. And I was just going for a kind of, you kind of look at the trend of how it's been, and I was just looking at how low it had been before, and I was going for this kind of level. So if you see, it went down to 1.12 before, and I was thinking, like, okay, it's been there once, two, three times recently, so the chances are it might go there again. So I thought, okay, let's go for that, and that's what I did. So I mean, at the moment I could do a market close of that and make $320 profit, but I think I'll keep it open and see if I can make a little bit more. Probably a lot more, actually. All right, this is Saver Crypto. Thanks very much. It's just a little update there on my Phemex tutorial number 2. And I'm no expert, by the way, so none of this is financial advice, even advice generally, but this is what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, and this looks pretty good, actually. It just popped over $400 profit, and it's just dipped down a little bit now. So if you want to do this kind of thing, I'll leave a link in the description for Phemex, and that will get you an extra trading bonus. I'm not sure how much it is. I think it's about $90 or something when you make a certain deposit, and that will help you get on your way and have a bit of fun. Okay, right, trade safely, have fun. This is Saver Crypto. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and tell your friends. Take care, and bye now.